چقدر وقت داریم؟ چقدر پول میخوای؟ تو که میدونی چقدر دوستت دارم. امروز میخوایم در مورد چقدر or how much در فارسی صحبت کنیم. How much time do we have? چقدر وقت داریم؟ چقدر وقت داریم؟ How much did you spend? Or how much money did you spend? چقدر خرج کردی؟ چقدر خرج کردی؟ How much sugar would you like in your coffee? Or in Persian we say how much sugar should I add to your coffee? چقدر شکر تو قهوت بریزم؟ چقدر شکر تو قهوت بریزم؟ بریزم here means to put, to add. To put sugar into your coffee. How much money do you have with you? چقدر پول همراته؟ چقدر پول همراته؟ همراته means with you. How much does it cost? Or how much is it? چقدر میشه؟ چنده؟ چقدر میشه means how much does it cost. For how much is it, in Persian we use chande, which means actually literally how many. It is the subject of my next video. How much will it cost? هزینه‌اش چقدر میشه؟ It's simple future, and as you know in Persian, for simple future in spoken Persian we still use present simple. هزینه‌اش چقدر میشه؟ How much do you love me? چقدر دوستم داری؟ چقدر دوستم داری؟ How much do you want? چقدر میخوای؟ چقدر میخوای؟ How much is the salary? حقوقش چقدره؟ حقوقش چقدره؟ This ش refers to that job you are talking about. How much food is left? چقدر غذا باقی مونده؟ چقدر غذا باقی مونده؟ It's present perfect, that's why we say مونده. Let's see the usage of چقدر in exclamative and affirmative sentences. How cold it is! I think we should go back home. It's an exclamative sentence. For exclamative clauses and sentences, I had a lesson before. You can see the link here and also in video description. How cold it is! I think we should go back home. چقدر سرده! به نظرم برگردیم خونه. چقدر سرده! به نظرم برگردیم خونه. Let's go back home. How much you talk! Be quiet a little. It means you talk a lot. چقدر حرف میزنی؟ یکم ساکت باش. چقدر حرف میزنی؟ یکم ساکت باش. To support me and to help me continue making videos for you, and also to enjoy extra exercises like listening practice, extra vocabulary, new examples, please join my Patreon. how much you smoke. It means you smoke a lot. چقدر سیگار میکشی؟ چقدر سیگار میکشی؟ This usage is when you are complaining about something. So you say how much you smoke, how much you talk. چقدر سیگار میکشی? I mean you smoke a lot and I don't like it. چقدر سیگار میکشی؟ How much fun we had. چقدر خوش گذشت. چقدر خوش گذشت. Here our sentence is positive. چقدر خوش گذشت means we had a lot of fun. How much I hate it, or I hate him, or I hate her. It means I hate it, him, or her a lot. چقدر ازش بدم میاد. چقدر ازش بدم میاد. It means I hate him, her, or it a lot. I can't stand him, her, or it. How well she sings or he sings. چقدر خوب میخونه. چقدر خوب میخونه. How I miss those days means I miss those days a lot. چقدر دلم واسه اون روزا تنگ شده. چقدر دلم واسه اون روزا تنگ شده. It means I miss those days a lot. How heavy it is. I can't carry it alone. چقدر سنگینه. تنهایی نمیتونم ببرمش. چقدر سنگینه. تنهایی نمیتونم ببرمش. So we use بردن to take for carrying something. And تنهایی means on your own, alone. I know how important it is to you. میدونم چقدر برات مهمه. Here we have a compound sentence. میدونم, one sentence, I know. چقدر برات مهمه. It's not a question anymore. میدونم چقدر برات مهمه. You don't know how much I love you. نمیدونی چقدر دوست دارم. نمیدونی. You don't know or you have no idea چقدر دوست دارم. He or she didn't say how much we should pay. نگفت چقدر باید پرداخت کنیم. نگفت چقدر باید پرداخت کنیم. You don't know how much I need your help. نمیدونی چقدر به کمکت احتیاج دارم. نمیدونی چقدر به کمکت احتیاج دارم.